High-quality paintbrushes don't have to be one-time use tools. If properly cleaned and stored, they can be reused for future DIY projects. Caring for your paintbrushes ensures future paint application is smooth and debris-free. Here's what you need to know to leverage your investment in paintbrushes for future projects. It's highly recommended that you clean your paintbrushes immediately after you finish using them. Have a paintbrush crusted in dried paint? Not a problem. Simply clean it with hot water and dish detergent. If you're in the middle of a project and plan on reusing your brushes within a few days, there's no need to clean. Just wrap brushes in plastic wrap and place them in the refrigerator. This keeps them fresh for when you get started the next day. If you fully completed your painting project, take the time to clean your brushes thoroughly. First, start by scraping any excess paint by pressing it against the inside lip of the paint can. Then, brush whatever paint might be left onto a piece of scrap paper. If you painted with an acrylic or latex-based paint, like one of these products, or one of our waterborne paints like Ben, Regal, or Aura, run hot water over the brush and add a few drops of dish detergent. Don't use too much soap, and the hotter the water, the better. To clean a brush after using oil-based paint, start by dipping the brush into a small container of paint thinner and press the bristles repeatedly to the bottom of the container, which will help the solvent removal process. Work the paint out of the brush. You can also use a brush comb or scrub pad to remove stubborn paint spots. Once all of the paint is removed, thoroughly rinse the brush with warm water. To dry, shake as much water out of the paintbrush as possible and reshape it with your hand or brush comb to make it look like new. Set the brush flat where nothing will touch the bristles while it dries. For best results, return the clean, dry brush to its original packaging to maintain bristle shape. If you don't have the original packaging, you can protect the shape of your brush by wrapping it in a paper towel or newspaper, or placing it between two pieces of cardboard and securing it with a rubber band or tape. For long-term storage, either hang your brushes or lay them flat, protected by plastic wrap. How do you know when your paintbrush is past its prime? If the bristles start shedding or becoming frayed, or the brush has lost its shape, it's likely time to retire it from use. But if you clean and store it properly, a good paintbrush should last a few years. You can purchase high-quality brushes through benjaminmoore.com or at your local Benjamin Moore retailer, where our painting experts are happy to offer guidance and advice for all your DIY needs.